It's December. In few days, we hit 2026. Only 1 month. And I'm going to be real with you right now. Most of you watching this are in exact same place you were at the beginning of this year. Hell, probably the same place you were at last year. Don't click away. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything or sell you some sugar pills. I will show you the real truth. If you can own this month, you will walk into 2026 as a completely different person. Not hoping for a change, living it. Here is what I know about you, and please don't get offended. You probably started 2025 with this whole vision board nonsense, right? This is my year. You made lot of plans, but here we are in December, and you are watching YouTube videos instead of doing literally anything productive. You know what the crazy part is? You are not lazy. I see you in comment box of these self-help videos, taking notes, getting pumped up. You will watching how to change your life content and do absolutely nothing with it. You have heard all it before, right? But knowing and doing are two completely different animals. And you have been stuck in knowing mode for a way too long. So let's talk. You know what? Let me hit you with something very harsh. If you can't make change in next month, what make you think you will magically do in 12 months? New year resolution don't change you. Habits do. And habits can build starting today, not January 1st. Why you are stuck? Let me guess. You have big dreams, not lucky enough. You waste hours on your phone, you hype yourself up with YouTube videos but don't take any action or real step. You tell people about your plans, and for a moment, it feels like you already did something. But in deep down, you know it's a just talk. And then guilt hits. You start again feeling lazy, like something is wrong with you. You are just caught in the same place or same trap most people are in. Confusing motion with progress. Now listen. Think next 1 month as a mini lifetime. Don't say, I will start in January. No, January doesn't exist. It's a lie. We tell ourselves to delay. Alright, let's cut the theory and talk about how to actually do this. I will give you 5 very real and practical steps to lock in. First, pick up one, two or main goals. For example, get constant toward your goal, save money, start focus on your health. And remember, focus beats motivation every single time. Second is daily non-negotiable. For example, set small actions that you do no matter what. Third is no BC rule. For example, every time you catch yourself excuse, stop and write down the excuse seriously. I will start tomorrow. I'm too tired. I will do it when I feel motivated. Then ask yourself, has this excuse ever actually helped me in life? Fourth is cut the time wasters. For example, let's be real. You are not too busy. You have only distracted. And understand this. Fifth is stack small wins. For example, people think change come from one big decision. Nope, it come from stacking small win every single day. Now just imagine it's 1st January 2026. Everyone is making resolution, but you are already 1 month deep. You have already seen progress. This kind of confidence that changes everything. So you have 1 month left. That's 30 days. Waits them like before or finally lock in and give yourself the real shot of change your life. It's about being intentional, about finally proving to yourself that you can stick to something. If this hit you, then start live for yourself now.